So if you're holding XRP, holding any of the top cryptos, you're obviously loving what the cryptocurrency market is doing right now. And I want to give you guys at a high level the reason why crypto is up. It's so important that we make sense of what's going on and how the markets are moving, what type of things are moving the markets right now. So a few different things I want to address in this video. We'll talk about the overall market. We'll talk about some of the top assets, some of the trades and moves that I've been making as well. So I didn't make a video yesterday afternoon at all. I was so busy just locked in trading and really printing yesterday. Honestly, it was a great day for me and was super excited about that. So I want to get into it with you guys real quick. And in this video, guys, there's going to be a lot here. So stick around until the end. I promise you'll get some value here. Smash that like button, subscribe down below, and let's freaking jump right in. Let's take a look at the overall market first and foremost. Then we'll talk about the reasons why crypto is up, why XRP is moving, some of the big things, okay? So Bitcoin, alongside the stock market yesterday, had a big day, and it's opening up pretty well here. The last hour down a little bit, but Bitcoin's still comfortably over 93,000. And here are a few reasons why, two reasons in particular, and they both have to do with Donald Trump. Number one, Donald Trump went on record basically saying, hey, I have no plans to fire Jerome Powell. The markets like certainty, they don't like uncertainty. Okay. So when that happened, that's a big win. That's a big win because the whole Jerome Powell thing and he's fighting with Trump, that creates more uncertainty, right? So that's one of the main reasons why crypto's up. He said that yesterday. The other thing that has to do with Trump is China and tariffs, which you guys know have been massive. Trump went yesterday and said, hey, we don't expect 145% tariffs on China forever. These are going to come down. He expects them to. Basically, he expects to play ball and basically get these down to a level that makes sense. Again, clarity. The markets like clarity. They do not like uncertainty. So those two factors are definitely helping pump the markets. Now, there's more that I want to get into. I want to take another glance here at the overall market for you guys and show you guys what's happening. So Deep Protocol, if you guys don't know what this is built on the SWI blockchain. We have been talking about Deep for a while. I was accumulating it at 6 cents. I was trading the hell out of this yesterday. And I'm not going to hold back any punches. I exited about 80% of my position yesterday because this thing absolutely flew, guys. And I mean flew. Look at the all chart. We were accumulating down in here at 5-6 cents. And this thing just went parabolic straight up to like 22 cents. We took some profits. What goes up must come down. Okay. And I'm going to be reaccumulating. This is a great protocol. It's in the top 100 now. Deep Protocol. It's not yet listed on Coinbase, on Binance either. And this thing has a ton, and I mean a ton of potential. They're a decentralized central limit order book built on SWI, guys. They leverage SWI's parallel execution and low transaction fees to bring a highly performant, low latency exchange on chain. It's fully on chain. So this is very different. Again, adding to that tech, portion of the overall SWI ecosystem. SWI itself is up to 286. Immutable X, big infrastructure play in gaming. It is up big. Walrus, another SWI play, up crossed over 50 cents. Pepe has risen. Algorand has risen immensely. So that's great to see. And we're seeing across the board, guys, just some great moves. Cardano, VeChain, almost all up 10%. Fartcoin's over $1 billion market cap, which is wild. Solana back up over 150. XRP back up to 225, making some headway. And I think XRP is getting ready to make its next big leg here. XRP, guys, has a ton going for it. There's a ton of chatter about ETFs now with Paul Atkins in. There's a ton of chatter about Ripple versus SEC being fast-tracked, being done with soon rather than later because of Paul Atkins, the new SEC chair, getting in. That's another big piece of the puzzle here. We have finally Paul Atkins, who is super pro-crypto. He went out recently and said his number one priority is to create clarity in the digital asset space. That is also helping pump the market. So we're basically trading news right now. Okay. And is there market manipulation going on? Surely there is. But I am taking profits along the way. I'm making plays. You guys know that I'm heavy into the sweet ecosystem. Loafy has tumbled back down a little bit. We'll see if it bounces off this 3334 level. It's bounced off at a few different times. So keep in mind, if we get a slow reversal from these levels, 3233, keep in mind we could be back up over 40 million. This could be an interesting little play here as long as we hold this ground right here. But Loafy, the last 7 days, up 114%, guys. It has went parabolic up. So amazing stuff there on Loafy. Now, real quick, before we get into some of the other charts, some of the other things that are sticking out, I am making a lot of moves right now on the trading side, and I'm doing it using XT Algo. I've showed you the Loafy chart. We're printing massive gains since our momentum up. Absolutely insane. At one point, 350%. Even if you're looking at it from where we are right now, 264% in the last 12 days, guys. Loafy is printing. The Tau chart has been printing like crazy. There's the momentum up here on Tau on the daily. And there you go. A nice little 20% move in less than a week. There is a lot of money to be made. And if you guys want to be taking full advantage of it, my trading indicator will help you get there. It's $1 a day, guys. We blow money on coffee. We blow money on this, blow money on that. $1 a day. And this can help you make money in the markets. Okay. This is an unbelievable tool. I walk you through how to use it. We have a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can access it anytime, anywhere when you set up your alerts. I walk you through how to do it. It's an amazing tool, guys. Highly encourage you guys to check it out. There is a link down below in the description. And right now, the first month is virtually free. This is the best offer we've ever put out there. Now, there is a low-cap gem that I'm looking at. It is called Go Arlo. Arlo has some really interesting swarm AI tech. They're sitting right now at a $500,000 market cap. They're on Solana. Go Arlo. And again, sitting at 513K. This is another project. I'll be meeting out with them in Toronto. So again, it's following Sol's footsteps right now, climbing back up after a big peak. And yeah, so these are some of the things I'm looking at, guys. And in the background, the Fed, they could potentially make some big moves by cutting interest rates. We'll see if they do that. I'm not 100% sure they're going to do that like soon, but I think at some point in 2025 that will act as another catalyst for us for this back end of the bull cycle. Now, I still think we're going to get some type of cool down period, probably in the summer months at some point. Is it going to be a make your money by May and go away scenario? I don't know, but that's why I'm actively taking some profits on my short-term plays right now. I'm still accumulating Bitcoin. Okay. My average cost on BTC is somewhere in like the 50K range. So I'm okay there. I'm taking my profits along the way on some of my other short time frame trades and moving that back into Bitcoin. With XRP, I'm accumulating it anytime it gets down below $2. Solana, anytime it gets down below like 125. I was stacking heavy there. SWI, when we dip down below $2 on SWI, I'm a buyer. We're almost back up to 3 right now. And I scaled a little bit out yesterday. Not a ton, but I took some profits. And I did it the first big run up when we went to $5. I'm constantly trying to drip profits out. Just like we DCA into projects, I like to DCA myself out and make sure I'm making gains along the way, because you just never know what's going to happen in the short term with crypto. So I appreciate you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to smash the like button. Check out XT Algo, link down below. Thank you guys so much, and we'll see you guys in the next one.